I'm back again, guys. So, back to the video. From $5 a day to $1 per day, it became disheartening. Like I was broken, right? But that didn't stop me because I know that I was doing so well. Not until I fell ill. I mean, sickness, you really can't tell when it's going to come. Okay, so I started treating myself, and I was just trying to, keep up with the upload one per day. All right. So I continued with that, and till I got better. This lasted for months, and you can imagine the duration, the months, right? So the earnings kept on dropping day by day. I don't know if there's anybody that might be in that situation and would want to give up. Even if I want to give up, I have people around me that wouldn't want me to give up. I mean, I've gotten proceeds from this, and I can tell it was massive. So giving up is like last now you for yourself hand. Do you understand? So it was not even an option, even though I got tired because like when you are putting in so much effort and you're not seeing what normally you're supposed to be expecting. Okay, but nevertheless, guys, I just kept on pushing. From one video, I increased back to 2 videos a day, 3 videos per day, till I got to 5 videos per day. And still, my earnings were a bit low. But I didn't give up, right? I started back what I used to do when I started the whole YouTube journey. All right. And that is why it is expected for you to know all of this if you are on this YouTube space. There are some things you need to do every video you upload. These are the things you need to make sure are available or turned on in your video settings, right? When you upload a video, make sure your video have an end screen. Make sure your video have a card. Okay, end screens and cards are very important in your videos. This helps for the backlogs, most especially the end screen part. Okay, it helps in SEO. We all know what SEO is, search engine optimization. So guys, end screens and cards are very important for every video you upload on YouTube. Okay, take note of that. Then make sure you always add tags to your video. Normally when you're uploading a video on the YouTube Studio app or the YouTube app itself, you really wouldn't see that option of adding tags to your video except you're uploading from the Chrome version, right? So if you're uploading from the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app, you wouldn't see such option except you upload finish, right? Once you're done uploading, then you edit that video. When you're trying to edit the video, you will see the option of adding tags to your video. So do well to always add tags to your video. Those tags are easy keywords that viewers might actually search for. Okay, they definitely will search for it. Let's say for instance, in this tutorial world, someone is trying to know how to get monetized, and the person will just come on YouTube and type how to get monetized, right? So if you actually impute how to get monetized as part of your tags on that particular video you uploaded, your video is likely to pop up. Okay, and I don't know if you've been going through your YouTube analytics, you will see how viewers search your videos or how your videos are actually being found. Then you will see browse features, you will see YouTube homepage, you will see others, which is probably WhatsApp, Facebook, if you're getting to share your videos to external sites. Okay, so this browse features, YouTube search, those are an evidence that okay, your tags are actually working because people are searching for something relating to your video, and whatever it is you wrote down there, you typed in the tags section. Mind you, now this is not just for tags, but because we're talking about tags, so this is what it is about. Okay, so as long as you typed in stuff like that, monetization, how to get monetized in 4 days, get monetized in a week, you understand they are related, so definitely it will rhyme. All right, your videos are going to definitely pop up. Okay, so That's it for tags. Make sure to always add tags to your videos. Now let's move on to hashtags. I know many of us now we might be thinking that are hashtags really still important? Probably then, but right now are they still important? Important? Yes, they are. Okay, there are people that love the hashtags thing. Okay, so they can just type in hashtag and boom, your video is going to come up because it is related to what you're doing. It's related to what you uploaded. Maybe you put on hashtag monetization and someone just typed in hashtag monetization and it will come up. Okay, it's not magic. Definitely, as long as you follow the rules, as long as you keep up with everything that you're supposed to do on YouTube, your videos are going to do well. It's just time, guys. It is just time. Just have patience with yourself. Okay, so this is what I continue doing. It's not like I stopped, but most times imagine someone posting a video, close to 10 videos a day. So most times I might not keep up with all of this, but I make sure I do one out of many. Okay, I make sure I do one out of many. So with the drop in views, because yes, views equals what you're definitely going to earn for that day. Because if you're not getting views, how are people going to see your the ads that are placed in your videos? And it is from the ads um you get to make money. All right, that's for now YouTube revenue. Okay, but you can actually make money from what's it called, endorsements, like brand deals. That's why most times when you play someone's video and you see the first thing YouTube is going to show to you is paid promotion. That person is actually promoting someone else's brand. Okay, and that person was paid for it. So that's another way to earn money, as long as you have a very large community that people are going to see and get to know that, oh, there's something like this, and they'll be interested in it. Either at least a large number of people are definitely going to be interested in it, as long as you've created that community that trusts you. Okay, so that's it about other ways to earn money. It's not about just getting. That's why you see some videos, you see some content creators telling you that you can actually earn money even without being monetized. It's possible. Just be true to yourself, be true to your brand, yourself. Like, this whole your YouTube channel is more like your brand, because that's what you stand for. I don't know if I'm wrong to anyone, but that's it for me. Okay, so it happens like that. So your views equals your what you're going to earn. All right, and we all know how we calculate views for the day. Your real-time views are 48 hours. Okay, so it's a division of 2 days, an addition of day one and day two. Okay, that will be a video for another time. All right, so guys, that was it. The views dropped, but I kept on pushing, I kept on posting, and I never did give up. I didn't it wasn't an option. I continued. It took time, but you know I continued, and that was it. It started improving. Yes, I will be showing the proof either here or there. It started improving, right? There was an improvement, and I was happy because the hard work paid off. All right. So this is me trying to put it out there to many creators not to give up. I mean, why are you giving up? You feel it's still going to work, but it's working for others, so definitely it's going to work for you as long as you're doing the right thing. And that's why we have a lot of tutors on this space. If you're not comfortable with A, you're comfortable with B. If you're not comfortable with B, you're going to head to C. But you're definitely going to learn something from one of them, even though most of them don't really give out the way it is. Okay, but you're definitely going to learn something. And thank God for comment section, where you get to ask your question. If you're confused about what they've said, do well to ask. Even if the content creator herself or himself doesn't reply you, someone is definitely going to reply you in that comment section. It's an open space, guys, so never give up. All right, never give up. The fact that you've not even started earning at all, it doesn't mean you're not going to earn. As long as you don't give up, you're definitely going to earn. This is me telling you, you're definitely going to earn. People get monetized in 3 months, people get monetized in 7 days, people get monetized in 3 years. So guys, giving up is not an option. All right, So I don't know if this video motivated anyone, but if you did, do well to drop in the comment section, tell me what you think. And this is me also trying to tell you that no matter how you felt you started, if you feel maybe the very first video you uploaded gave a very high spike, like it went so up, and the next videos you're uploading have been getting lower views, it doesn't mean you should give up. Okay, keep posting. Just take it to be that YouTube is actually testing your consistency. They want to know how consistent you can be on the space. Remember what I said, YouTube has over millions of subscribers of channels on their YouTube, on the platform. Okay, so if you're giving up, it's making it easy, making your job easy. They're just going to take your channel down, or they might not even necessarily take it down, but it's just going to be dormant, and you wouldn't want that. Okay, so this is me talking to someone out there. Do well to keep posting your videos. Always show up every day. If you can't keep up with every day, why not once a week, twice a week, thrice a week? If you can't do the everyday thing, but make sure you always show up. Thank God for shorts. If you can't come up with long-term videos, you can do shorts. Thank God for remixing of videos. You can remix any of your video. You can turn it into a short. You necessarily don't have to create a short again. Just remix your video, and automatically it gets to a wider audience. We all know how short works. So guys, this video has gone longer than I expected. So my earnings dropped for sure, but we are on the right track now. We're doing so well, and this is a video that I want to put it out there for people to get encouraged by it. Those that are monetized and those that aren't monetized yet. Those that are planning to get monetized. It's not easy. Trust me, I'm not going to lie for you, because most times I get tired, but I'm not giving up. It starts from you. Resolve within yourself that you're definitely going to give up. I think this video has now turned to a motivational video, but it doesn't matter. But don't give up, guys. All right. Do well to give these videos a thumbs up, share, comment, and do well to click the subscribe button if you haven't, so as not to miss out on amazing content videos I will be sharing on this space. See you guys soon. Bye.